$100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, $900, $1,000. Nobody loves to mumu himself on social media. The same way you yourself, you dey wake up for morning, you go take your bath, go wear clothes, go one place, go sit down, say na your work be that. Na so that content creator still get up for morning, carry the phone, record the video, just for that to put you for talk. So if you talk, the more you dey talk, the more engagement you dey get, and the more money you dey make. How much be this? How much be this? $100. If you create one video and that video make you $100, now let's say in a month you go create 10 videos, and each of the video wey you create for that month, one of the first you $100 times $100 times 10. Maybe you see how much you make for that month. Let me show you something. How much Facebook pay me for my 1 million view video? You know understand. First of all, before I tell you, tell me congratulations on the comment section. You know understand. So you when if you say you see one content creator online, you got to say you dey mumu yourself online. Nobody loves to mumu himself on social media. The same way you yourself, you dey wake up for morning, you go take your bath, go wear clothes, go one place, go sit down, say na your work be that. Na so that content creator still get up for morning, carry the phone, record the video, just for that to put you for talk. So if you talk, the more you dey talk, the more engagement you dey get, and the more money you dey make. Understand all this is why you no go fit say one person dey mumu himself online. Nobody dey mumu himself on social media. Everybody is after the money wey Facebook dey pay. How much Facebook pay me for my 1 million view video? You know understand. First of all, before I tell you, tell me congratulations on the comment section. What I dey do every day? I will just wake up in the morning, mash up my groundnut, carry video dey talk. I know content creators who be say that they make nothing less than $25,000 in a month. It's not really easy. Tell me congratulations, because my third page just got monetized. The first one we don't monetize them before, the second one we don't monetize them before, the third one 3 days ago we monetize them, and I do give away. You know that we still celebrate people who be so and they support me. So tell me congratulations before I tell you how much Facebook will pay for 1 million views video. Now, ma let you know something. For me to get one page, get second page, get third page, not tell you say the Facebook now real job. It's a real job. It's a real job. Now let's say for instance we make $1,000 from this page. You can make $1,000 from this page. You can make $1,000 from this page. Now instance they give you, that's $3,000 for that month. You know understand. And if you want run advert, the money we go charge for this page go different from the money we go charge for this page, go different from the money we go charge for that page. And if you run 3 adverts the same day, as long as a different page you get. So now the reason why we say content creators they do all these things, they get different page. Every content creator will already monetize the page, go share, they get more than 3 page. You go see some so person fans, so person lovers, so person nation. After they don't get the real page, they also get another page as fans for lovers. Those other pages they fetch their money. You know that. So this Facebook is a real profession. So you when they talk say you not get job, go look for something and do not forget that the person job they do. Which work you want do for Nigeria where they won't pay you $1,000 in a month in all day? And I tell you say 1 million views video. Last month, now I use this my page as an example. My admin credits me 1.something million naira for one of my page. And could you imagine? You know what even that month I never upload videos on the page. I don't even upload plenty videos. But the truth about Facebook is that if you don't upload plenty videos, person create 10 videos. Make person create one. Make that one when person create make more money than person will be say you upload 10. Now wait many of them don't know, because engagement now waiting Facebook till they pay. Person will get more engagement. We get more engagement. The video they engage with and they comment, they like, they watch out to the end. All those things now waiting Facebook they really say they pay. Only one video if you make $2,000, make 10 videos, not even make $100. So in as much as we love to create content, create quality content we be say people go feel engage with. Now why you say my videos they fetch me a lot of money? My videos gonna have financial content, even if not few people watch and the people who they watch them, they engage with the video till the end. And my videos they long. You know that. So if you see person will create maybe upload 5 videos in a day, and me I create only 1 or 2 in a day. That my 2 when I create feel make more money than person they say create 10, you upload 10 that day. Last month, if you don't familiar with Facebook, you know say they know they credit you the money of that month. If you create videos for this month, they not go credit you this month. Now next month they will credit you. Why the one of last month and this month they go credit you? You know understand? Early this month, now they credit me the one of last month. I wouldn't understand what they talk. And when my admin credits me for one of my page, And the worst thing is that last month I don't even create plenty videos. Just about my videos, not many. I just create few video uploaded for them because I travel. I do host classes, so I did Lagos. Because of that thing, I not gonna get time to the upload. But at the end of the day, they still credit me after conversion rate. I was still able to make 1.something million naira. I will still show you the receipt for here. Maybe you see, I mean, you know, say I know they lie. My admin conversation, I will still show you for me, you know, say I know they lie. You know understand? This one just one aspect from my Eastream ad. They never see advert. I know that is what they do with the social media platform. Never see my business when they promote online through all this platform. So if you see they look for a job, you don't waste your time. You don't waste your time. If you watch this video to this level, first of all, write my name in capital letter, Gege, because I get update when I want to give you. I get what I want to give you more than help on myself. If you dey follow me from now till December, I beg. I'm begging you in the name of God. Please, I beg. I beg. I don't start to receive many of them they complain. I swear to God. I swear to God. What I do every day, I will just wake up in the morning, mash up my groundnut. Carry video they talk. I know content creators who be say that they make nothing less than $25,000 in a month. $25,000 in a month. Me, I know they carry for head like that, but even as I know they carry for head like that, in a month from on my page, you not get as if people be saying, I know get. If you know where we say I not to create videos for that month, I'll still get my normal $5,000. Cover $5,000 from Naira, maybe you see how much come in. I not make at all that maybe that month I not to upload videos, I not to upload videos. From my Eastream ad, I will still get nothing less than $2,000. So no content creator is hungry, and this thing will change your life. Now this thing I'm going to preach for you from now to December. I'm not telling you anything else. Those who go listen to this advice, they will have to help themselves. All the people will say they post house. You will see this content creator don't go build one massive house. Congratulations. Hey, attack from your grace. Now Facebook money. Now Facebook money. And I'm waiting yourself you feel do. You not be like say you get one special talent. No special talent. How if you just start to create content, even if you don't know what you want to, carry my video. I dey give you the chance. Now carry my video, go carry Brother Mike video. Crop am, make you put your picture or your video waiting they react to the video. Put am for your page. People go still watch am and it go still fetch you money. Sure? People go watch and it go still fetch you money. From there you go the master camera. From there you go the master. From there you go the create your own personal videos. From there you don't start. Before you do now you don't grow pay, you don't get audience. They go they pay for adverts. They go to pay for ambassadorship deal, many things before you can see the Eastream ad, the money they make from your videos. You know understand? If you watch this video to this level, use the link on the comment section. The comment on the first comment. I'm interested. You know that I will send you a link where you will take monetize your Nigeria Facebook. You know that I will send once you comment, I'll send you to your DM. Click and if I don't send you before, I better not post again. They confuse me. When you click you will put your details. When you put your details, activate them. Your Nigeria Facebook will monetize. But make sure say you get up to 5,000 followers on your page. You know that's done. So you will never get up to 5,000 followers. When they follow each other in the comment section, comment follow for follow back. Follow for follow back. Follow for follow back. When I follow myself, grow to 5,000 followers. Then monetize once. If you create video, tag me. If you upload that for your page, tag me. If I watch your content, I like them, I go see post on my page. Content people they follow you. Now so I want to support all of you now. And I already decided, I say now, I don't think I'm up myself, say, in my own way of giving back to the people where they help me. Every month, any money when I make, even if I'm one person on this platform, I swear to God. I don't want to tell you this, damn. See, we just need to do something to change people's life. Even if I'm one person each, I will just buy a phone or I go create content. The same thing now they do go do one. You know that the same thing I go do when I do now go do one. Every month I will just even if I want one person they buy for even if I iPhone 11 when I think they create content every month now which I already promised myself I want to do for now. Even if I one person take go create video that month if I don't receive my salary my earning from Facebook now Facebook money which na money wanna give me for year now I tell you I not go use my personal money. So every month if anything I will just come out small money go buy phone for you go create content. From now to December and what I want to support on. So if you watch my video, share this video, like the video, then comment. Then recommend this channel to your friends. You know understand? One love. Gege, which I talk class for this video. Gege. So if you watch my video, share this video, like the video, then comment.